Ever felt like your car just isn't performing the way it used to? Rough idling, poor fuel economy, or even a persistent check engine light? Sometimes, the culprit isn't a failing part, but your car's brain, the engine control unit, ECU. Think of the ECU as your car's computer. It constantly collects data from sensors and makes adjustments for performance, emissions, and efficiency. But over time, that data can get corrupted, especially after repairs or sensor changes. Resetting the ECU can give your car a clean slate and restore performance to factory settings. Today, I'll walk you through 3 proven methods to reset your ECU. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your car's computer a fresh start. Method 1. Disconnect the battery. The first and most common method is disconnecting the battery. It's simple, but it works. 1. Turn off the ignition and make sure your keys are out of the car. 2. Pop the hood and locate your battery. 3. Using a wrench, disconnect the negative terminal. That's the black cable marked with a minus sign. 4. Leave it disconnected for 15 to 30 minutes. For a deeper reset, you can press the brake pedal for a few seconds while it's disconnected to drain any remaining power in the system. 5. Reconnect the terminal, tighten it securely, and start your car. Once restarted, your ECU will be running on a clean memory. Don't be surprised if your idle feels a bit rough at first. The ECU is relearning. Take it for a short drive so it can recalibrate fuel trims and sensors. Before we jump into the second method, give this video a quick thumbs up and hit subscribe. That way, you'll always have simple car fixes at your fingertips the next time your ride throws you a curveball. Method 2. Remove the ECU fuse. The second method is the fuse box method. This is perfect if you don't want to deal with your battery connections. 1. Locate your fuse box. It's usually under the dashboard on the driver's side or in the engine bay. 2. Find the fuse labeled ECU, ECM, or engine control. You may need to check your owner's manual for the exact location. 3. Carefully pull out that fuse and leave it out for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Reinsert the fuse, close the panel, and start the car. This method resets the ECU directly without affecting other electronics, like your radio presets or clock. It's quick, clean, and a bit less intimidating than pulling battery cables. Still not getting the results you want? Don't worry, there's a third method, and it's the most precise of them all. Method 3. OBD2 scanner reset. The third method is using an OBD2 scanner. If you've ever dealt with diagnostic codes, this is the professional approach. 1. Locate your car's OBD2 port, usually under the steering wheel near the pedals. 2. Plug in the scanner, then turn the ignition to the ON position without starting the engine. 3. Navigate the menu to find Clear Codes or Reset ECU. Each scanner is a little different, but most will walk you through it. 4. Confirm the reset and wait until the scanner says the process is complete. This method is the cleanest and fastest, especially if you're already troubleshooting a check engine light. It not only resets the ECU, but also clears out stored trouble codes and monitors real-time data. And that's it. 3 easy methods to reset your ECU to factory settings. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more easy car fixes, and drop a comment with your questions or experiences. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. And don't forget to check out our next video on simple car reset tricks that can save you money and headaches.